Have you ever added static to a method and just hoped it was the right call? A static method belongs to the class itself, not to any individual object. You call it directly on the class. No instantiation required. Think of it as behavior that lives at the class level, the key constraint. Because there is no object involved, a static method has no access to this or any instance property. It only works with the data you pass in as arguments. Instance methods work the opposite way. They are called on a specific object and have full access to this, so they can read and modify the object's own properties. If you need to update a user's name, increment a counter, or chain multiple operations on the same object, that is exactly what instance methods are built for. So when should you choose static? Utility and helper functions are the classic fit. Think JavaScript's built-in math.round or a custom formatter that has no state of its own. Factory methods, where you construct and return a new instance, are another great pattern. And as a bonus, since no object needs to be allocated, static calls avoid the overhead entirely. Use static for stateless class-level logic, and instance methods when you need to read or modify object state, like and follow for more JavaScript interview prep. Ready to practice for your next interview? Interview Mentor lets you answer real questions just like this one. After each answer, you get a detailed grade and personalized tips to improve. Watch your scores climb as you keep practicing.